Well, hello, take two. We are going to try this again, but we're going to actually try it from our phone versus trying to do it from the computer. And maybe that'll be a little easier. David was trying to connect with us, but was not able to. So hopefully this will be a little bit easier. I'll give some time for you guys to jump back on. I promise you, this will be worth the wait, okay? This is what we talk about when we talk about live TV, live Facebook, live everything. But we are going to highlight the food picks that David has for the holidays, which is fantastic. Super excited about that. Just waiting for some comments. Hey, Johnny. Hey, Jane. Can everybody hear me? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? I see Judy. Judy saying a quick hello. Kimberly saying hi. Stacy saying hi. Love that. Veronica. Awesome. Ooh, from New Mexico. Veronica, love. What's the weather there? So curious. That's awesome. Gail saying hi. Michelle is saying hi. I can hear you now. Good, because we swapped it. And we're going to actually try it from our phone because sometimes the computer doesn't really want to cooperate. So we're going to try to do it from the phone, and hopefully David will have the option to join us from there.
Tell David to just push that little button.
Hey, David, right down at the bottom, there's a little button of like a green person with a person inside it. Down by where your thumbs up and your heart is. If you push that, it might let you in. I mean, I'm just saying. Honestly, we should have just called each other like, I got him. I think. I'm just going to dance until, my love.
Fine late.
Hey, it takes a village, okay? It takes a village, my friend.
I'm so choked up that I finally got here. I actually have a fan going in my dressing room that's making my eyes water.
You are so much fun. All right, so let me just set it up for you, babe, because this is what I've been kind of telling everybody for a little while. So you submitted an amazing list of 20 or 25 of your holiday fave food picks. By the way, well done, my friend. I, as the official tablescaping brand of the host's food picks, got to sample them and make them in our Temptations. And I have to tell you, we have 7 of them here, and they are phenomenal. Phenomenal. So, well done, like I said. I'm going to let you talk.
Well, thank you. You're locking up a little bit, so I'm not hearing everything. Can you hear me?
Yes. Gotcha.
You can hear me. Good. Because you're locking up on your end. I'm not hearing a lot of it.
Oh, great. Perfect. So this has been, so far, a great operation on our behalf. Is that what we're headed to?
You know what?
Here's what I'm going to say.
It's a perfect storm.
Go ahead. Here's what I'm going to say. Ready, David? Look at this. So these are just some of the things that David picked as his amazing holiday picks, from his pot stickers to Mama Mancini's stuffed meatballs. And look, David, we made these in our Temptations bakers so that, again, not only can you get these amazing food products, but we also help you out in what to make them in. We have the side dishes. These St. Clair side dishes are out of this world. I have to say, I don't have a favorite. The 4 cheese mac and cheese, the cornbread dressing, the baked potato casserole. Like, look at that. Delicious. And so easy, right? Because you don't have to make it yourself. You can just heat it and go. Love that.
And that's the best part, because holidays should be about simplicity, right?
That's right. It should be about the memory making. It should be great food. I hear you. I got you. Oh, I got you. We're hearing you.
Here I have them. Simple. It should be easy and well, and the time that we're spending together should be time that is really valuable. We waited a couple of years for this holiday celebration. We want to get back together with people that we love, do it safely, do it carefully, and do it with great food. What we don't want to do is spend all our time in the kitchen slaving over the stove. That's why QVC can come to your rescue with all these great food items.
Absolutely. And I have to say, even your Happy Dance wine If you've noticed, I've already opened the red because I'm going to have a glass of that. Yes. When you say it, you have to do the happy dance. All right, ready? You have to do the happy dance. Woo, woo,
Happy dance. Hands in the air, spinning around in a circle.
Totally celebrating all things. And I love what you always say, that food is the connector that brings all of us together, and that we can always find a common thread when it comes to food. And so it's such an honor to be able to bring your choices to life, put them in these beautiful bakeware pieces. There's a link that you guys can click on, like, because David picked like, I think 25. I just got an awesome sampling of 7 of them. But you can click on that link that QVC's curated for us. It's dropped right in there. It shows all of his food picks, and it also shows, of course, the Temptations pieces that we made them in. So Jimmy the Baker cinnamon buns and pumpkin cinnamon buns. Are you kidding me? Amazing. Look. Those are the pumpkin. Yum. So good. So yes. Oh, I love that. Love the idea for brunch. That's a great, like, not just for dessert, but also for brunch as well. I love that. That's awesome. Great call. Oh, you know what else we have over here that I love you picked is our squirrel brand. So I love this, just leaving it out, letting everybody kind of help themselves, but it's like savory. There's some beautiful whole pieces inside there, which are fantastic. So, and the pot stickers, I can't breathe over the pot stickers. They're that good. All right, my friend. Well, I know you are very busy, so I thank you beyond for jumping on and saying a quick hello to everybody. I'm going to finish up here, highlight everything one more time, probably face plan some of it, and I'll keep you posted, okay?
I apologize for all I...
Oh my gosh, great to see you, my love. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. All right, everybody. Well, there he was, the man, the myth, the legend. And here's the deal. Sometimes in QVC, not always the best signal. Sometimes here in life, not always the best signal. But just to see his smiling face just made my whole day. So love that everybody's saying hey from Waco, hey from Alabama. Carla's saying hi. Nancy's saying hi from Kentucky. Wanda, hi. All right, so let's talk really quick about these. I'm going to turn around. Come with me, because I want you to see the beautiful table that Lisa set is absolutely stunning. So let's talk Mama Mancini meatballs. I have to say, this is something we always have in our freezer because they're fantastic. These are stuffed. They're 3 1-pound bag cheese stuffed beef meatballs. Are you kidding? They're stuffed with cheese. Like, first of all, you can put cheese in anything, and I'm there. You had me at cheese. But I love that these, like I said with David, can either be an appetizer or they can be your entree, and you could make meatball heroes. I absolutely love that. So this is such a no-brainer. So that's in the link. If you've never tried these meatballs, again, try them. Then St. Clair's, what David and I were talking about, and I'm pretty sure I saw him grip his face in excitement over all of the side dishes. So I love that we have the 4 cheese mac and cheese. I need a bigger baker for that. Clearly, I didn't know David was stopping by, or I never would have put it in that teeny tiny baker. Just kidding. Then, of course, we have the cornbread dressing. We have that baked potato casserole. And we also have the broccoli rice with cheddar. If you guys have never tried St. Clair's side dishes, please try them, because they're that incredible. And like when you're in a pinch and you just don't have time, or you don't want to make the side dishes, let's just be honest, I don't feel like it, you can go and get these from St. Clair because they're that great. David's wines, I did promise him I was going to try one. So here's how this is going to go. Lisa wants me to use the clean glass, but oh yeah, she's going to make me use the clean glass. Thanks, Lise.
You're welcome. Friends, good friends.
Friends don't let friends drink out of dirty glasses. Okay, that's the moral of the story. Okay, so this is his red, right? What is it, Lise? Is it cab?
It's a cab.
Thank you, friend.
And look how cute. It says cheers, foodies.
It's adorable.
It's adorable.
And delicious. These are absolutely delicious. Yum. Okay, so there's white, there's red. so many fun things there that are just awesome. So you definitely want to check those out. Junior's Chocolate Dream Cheesecake Layer Cake. That's still on me, Tara. Nobody wants to see that. Everybody wants to see this layer cake. And here's the deal, you guys. Although we're calling these holiday picks, they're not just for holiday. They really are for all winter long, all season long, just to have in your freezer. Friends pop over you weren't expecting, boom, take out your Junior's Dream Cheesecake Layer Cake, and you are like a rock star. Look at that. Layer upon layer of that beautiful cheesecake that you see right there on the inside, that gorgeous crumble there, that mousse around the edges. Absolutely, I am going to dive into that when we're done. You can trust me on that. Jimmy the Baker cinnamon buns, cinnamon rolls. We talked about this. First of all, I love Jimmy. Great guy, great story. And he is QVC's resident scratch baker. And everything he makes tastes truly like your grandmother made it, your mom made it, someone in your family made it other than you, and it was absolutely delicious. And he did pumpkin this year, which he may have done pumpkin before, but I never had it. There it is in the back. I might have kept it away from everybody else so that, you know, no one else eats it. Just kidding. I don't do that. Anyway, you're getting 12 or 24 counts, so definitely check that out. And then the pot stickers. We were talking about the pot stickers. This is something I always have in my freezer, and I love to make them. Hello, beautiful lady. Today's a great day to bake in Idaho. Wendy, I love your everything. I love you. Just gave me a pep in my step. I'm so excited. Good to see you, my friend. Anyway, the Perfect Gourmet 100 count pot stickers, chicken, pork, vegetable, edamame, shrimp, kung pao chicken, by the way. Is that new? I have not tried that yet. Or you can always get a sampling, which is so nice. And then last but not least, we have Squirrel Brand. So Squirrel Brand, always something to have on hand. 40 ounces, Town and Country. This one has like cashews in it. You see it. It has almonds, sunflower, seeds, and peanuts. This looks absolutely delicious. So just a few of my favorite things. I mean, David's favorite things that are now my favorite things in some of my favorite dishes, that I can say. And of course, we curated a link for you so you can check out more of this over at qvc.com. So you'll see all of the great foods in there, and of course, all the temptations. And I don't know about you, but I'm going to sit and eat some pot stickers. Oh, wait, I can't bite it now. That'll be a disaster. I'm going to eat some pot stickers. I'm going to have some cake. Pretty much going to have a meatball hero. Lisa, you having a meatball hero with me?
Yes, I am.
Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Because she loves Mama Mancini's just as much as I do. Then we'll wash it down with a Jimmy the Baker.
Perfect.
Have a handful of Squirrel Brands and have some wine. Does that not sound like a good time? All right, you guys, thank you for checking in with us. So good to see you both, all of you, both. There are two of you now. So good to see all of you. And hopefully we can do this again. Click the link, check it out. Aw, you're the bomb. Love everything you show us. Mary Lou, thanks. Thank you, my friend. Hey, Sarah. So go check that link out, because there's a lot of different things that we didn't even talk about, a lot of different temptations that we didn't talk about, but you can take a peek at everything. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving, if I don't speak to you before then. I truly am looking forward to gathering with my family and a little bit of a Friendsgiving as well. And that is what the season is all about. It's about being thankful. It's about giving. And if QVC's food and temptations can make that a little bit easier, we are here to help. My love to David. Glad he could pop on just for a little bit. And we'll do this again. Don't you worry. We will for sure do this again. All right, you guys, thank you so much. And we'll see you soon.